Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Cinnabon app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Cinnabon app is a convenient platform designed for fans of the famous bakery chain, making it easier to order your favorite cinnamon rolls, beverages, and treats. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows users to browse the full menu, customize orders, and choose between pickup or delivery options. It also features the Cinnabon Rewards program, which lets customers earn points with every purchase, redeem them for free treats, and access exclusive member-only offers. One of the app's best features is its quick reordering and location-based convenience, helping users find nearby Cinnabon bakeries instantly and saving favorite orders for future use. You can also receive notifications about limited-time offers, new menu launches, and seasonal desserts. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the smooth ordering process, accurate pickup timing, and frequent discounts for reward members. The app's interface is clean and simple, making navigation effortless even for new users. However, a few users have mentioned minor issues, such as occasional lagging or sign-in glitches during high-traffic hours. In summary, the Cinnabon app may be worth using if you frequently visit the bakery and want to save time, earn rewards, and stay updated on exclusive offers. However, if you prefer in-store purchases without tracking or app-based accounts, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.